So what you see here, this is the original clutch cable of my Multistrada 950. Now, as you can see here, this is the cable which we put afterwards in. Now I have to show you as well what you have to remove that you can install the new one on the Multistrada 950. So let's do some close-up and then I explain to you. Hello, I'm Nikolai. Welcome to Spoke Wanderer. Let's roll. So certainly you have to remove the seat, rear seat, main seat, and you have to remove this panel afterwards. There's one or two screws underneath, then you just can pop it out and you have easy access to it. Certainly then you have to hang out the cable here, you have to loosen all these rubbers and hang it out here, and then it's actually super easy. So once the cable is out here, you can just hang it out here. So now I told you already in the short about the clutch cable. Now I'm here luckily with Arso from Ideal Bike Channel and some of his friends which are good in motorcycle fixing, because I told you my trusted Ducati mechanic is on a deserved vacation, and here is the cable which I got shipped from Germany. So this is the original one, and now we're gonna try to fix it. I just do some close-ups, and well, there's nothing on the net, and this will be kind of a first. And by the way, welcome back to Spoke Wanderer. I'm Nikolai, and let's start. So as you see, we already unmounted it from the clutch lever. We loosened these rubber ties, and now here the screw of this aftermarket clutch cable is removed. Pillion seat and rider seat as well as the side panel is removed, and it's hang out on the bottom already, and here you can see where it goes through. So these are the original Ducati ties, the rubber ties, and as you can see we took already this cable out which we put afterwards in. Now we had to put it together because we checked if we can pull from up to down, but we have to go from down to up. So all tied up. So we tried to pull it up and it didn't work really, so we reversed it. We put some Vaseline, and then with 2 pair of hands and some patience, it was an act of maybe 5 minutes to pull the cable up, and it was in place. So once the cable was basically pulled up, we had to just put it in place in the proper channels, as you can see here. Hang it down, connect it up and down certainly, and then the adjustment process started of the clutch. So adjustment, as you can see on the process, is hang in, the cable pulls the clutch, and with this adjustment screw, the silver one which you see here, you basically put the tension and then it should work. Now I hope you can see this nicely. This is the cable which I put afterwards in, and this is the original one which is basically the replacement. So you see as well it's much thicker. Now as mentioned, you don't find really something online, so it was a challenge to put this up. Now actually in one of the forums I read, oh no problem, you pull it from up to down. No, it doesn't work because of this metal pipe and this big thing here. So this connector, now it's unconnected, but usually it's stick together. Now what we did is basically we loosened down here, we fiddled it out, and then we tied it together with the old one. And then we had also the challenge that it kind of stuck under the tank. So what we used, a little bit of Vaseline, and then 2 people pull it slowly through, and then it just guides itself up. Then you have to just reroute it underneath, fit it in, adjust it, and you're good to go. The whole process, okay, I didn't do it, a mechanic did it. The whole process was dismantling and putting the things together like 15 minutes. So Arthur from Ideal Bike, as mentioned, he helped me to find these guys when he does his service for his Honda NC750X, and they managed to fix it within no time. So it was just fantastic. Now the feel of the clutch is it's so different. I mean, and considering it's now 100% original, so it's buttery smooth. Certainly I have to find out more when I drive curvy roads, how it's behaving. Do I have to adjust it a bit more, or is it okay as is? So, but yeah, so far it's just amazing. It feels beautifully. It's soft. At the beginning, I remember, if I remember right back, it was always like you had to put a lot of force, power into the clutch hand, and especially in city traffic, I mean, you get limp hands, and now it's like fantastic. I'm driving at the moment in urban mode. I'm gonna try tomorrow. I leave Bucharest, and I'm gonna try out how it's gonna be in the different modes, if there is any difference to be felt. And yeah, so I will make a short on that these days. And yeah, thank you so far for watching. I will be back with some more videos of this trip from Germany via Austria, Hungary to Romania and back. And stay tuned for that. I see you back soon here on my channel. I'm Nikolai, your Spook Wanderer. Ciao for now.